prevent the spread of COVID-19 through droplets, please do not talk to others or on your mobile phone.
Next station, Marsiling.
为防止2019观众病毒通过在地铁上，请不要与他人交谈或用手机说话。
Marsiling. Doors are closing. Next station, Woodlands. Help keep our stations and trains clean. Please do not eat or drink in stations or on board trains. Thank you. Woodlands. Woodlands.